GTA, let's get real about real estate. Maya here with your LSV Daily Market Snap, your direct line to what's truly moving in your market. Today, our spotlight shines bright on Maple Vaughan. Let's dive in and uncover the 30-day insights. For single-family homes, sales are down. While properties are taking around 24 days on market, the average price is around $1,370,000. Now for condos and condo towns. While there's a good selection of inventory, sold listings have seen a slight dip. Average condo prices are holding around $1,170,000. Feeling the unique pulse of Maple? This family-friendly neighborhood is brimming with potential. Connect with your trusted real estate pro at lifestylevideos.com today.